for a drop top, of course. Still getting used to this. Nice Chrysler back there. .190 SL. They are eligible.
They are. K-car minivans are
84.
That would be a killer. I'm not sure I could walk by it.
That steering is toughness, not power steering. Nice drive on. Look at that Packard. Gorgeous. I love the comparison between the Packard of the 30s and the Pontiac GP. Interesting. Look at that too. Again, beautiful, beautiful. Yes, Model Ts were available in colors. It's only later, 14, that they switched to black. And actually, it's a progression. 7-liter, Galaxy 500. Oh, Accord. That's a Hudson thing. Are you sure? Ford, of course. Accord Beverly sedan. There was another one which actually broke down. Again, this is Hershey. You're going to see a few. Look at those lines. Oh, that's great. That is great. What a style. Little Corvair, Fiero. And I don't know if they allow trucks yet on parkways, but you can't put advertising on. So a lot of the cars.
So peel it off.
All right. Yes. Great. And there's a little 350 GT. Ah, gotcha.
Why do they care? They just don't want the commercial look on their parkway.
New York, and primarily metro area and Long Island. Another Chevy 490. .490 name derived from the hoped list price, but they could not produce it that cheap for $490, which was the list price of the Model T. So they put a mandatory option of the starter motor on the Chevy, and that drove it up to $510. Meanwhile, Henry, of course, dropped the price of the T even further. Lowest price of the Model T was $260 brand new. I mean, how does anyone compete with that? They just put out a better car. But that's why it had so many. Is that Hudson? Yeah. Oof. Gorgeous. Little fire-breathing Shelby. Those are so mean, aren't they? Locomobile. Oh my gosh. Very expensive car. Lovely. Oh, Renault, look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. Wow. Followed by a Page. Oh, where else do you get this stuff? Where else? Look at this little World War II Jeep.
What's that?
He's ready for Hershey. He's got his shovel and his Accord. There's your Miata. MGB, of course. look at this. Oh, what? What is that? Did you catch the name?
I couldn't read it.
We're gonna have to look it up. Yeah. Oh, what was that other one? There's one which is really a crude calendar. All right. You notice that unit in the front? That's a retrofitted starter generator. Is that Stearns? Yeah, of course, Stearns. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oof. And of course we got the Packards coming in. About a 32, 31. I love the stone garden front. Just looks so nice. It's got the trip lights. You notice that the fog lamps are turning with the wheels. 1930. Wow. How majestic. Absolutely majestic. Ah, nice little Mercedes 190. About a 59. Or is that 220S? No, that's a 220S, folks. That's a 220S. 59 220S. You don't see those. Can't believe I missed it. Called it a 190. Please forgive me, Mrs. Mercedes.